Hello, lovely people. I am Janelle, and today I'll be introducing you to fractions. Let's get straight into it. So, today's topic once again is fractions. Okay, so in today's PowerPoint presentation, we'll be covering, firstly, of course, two different types of fractions, which are improper and proper. Secondly, numerator. Thirdly, the denominator. Fourthly, whole number. And the last one, which will be our lowest common multiple. And of course, I'm going to be fleshing out the definitions and examples of each. And as a note, I'm targeting primary school children mainly, and adults can be high school students as well who just want to remember certain simple concepts as well. So, fraction. A fraction is a number that is not a whole number. So in other words, these are not counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3 numbers on their own. So a fraction can also be a portion of a whole. Or for instance, you have a cake and you are cutting your cake in 4 pieces or 4 sections, and you take out a slice, you will have 3 remaining. So you have a fraction of a cake. Improper fraction. So an improper fraction, as you can see, in other words, means that the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So you can see an example, 4/2. Another example can be 10/5 or 15/3. Proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is lesser than the denominator. So in other words, what they're saying is that this fraction looks the way that it's supposed to be. It looks normal. So you can also have 4/5, 6/10. So it's not imbalanced. The top part is in its exact portion to match the bottom half of the fraction. Numerator. This is any number above the line, which is also called the division bar. In this example, 1 is considered to be your numerator. We're moving on to the denominator, which is your bottom number, or this number falls below the division bar. In this example, 4 is your denominator. Whole number. So as I was explaining to you earlier, your whole number can be 1, 2, 3. These are also counting numbers. These do not have a fraction included. Let's go further. A whole number is a counting number, as was said. Also, a whole number does not contain a fraction or any sections out of it. It is whole. It is by itself. It is in its original form, like a whole cake, a whole pizza. And you can also give other examples. And of course, your pizza would come in several slices. And if you take out a portion, then that would be a fraction of the original pizza. And these examples were stated. Your lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple, and the abbreviation is L.C.M. This is the lowest number that any 2 or more numbers can be divided into. Example can be 30, which is the LCM for 5 and 6. There are other LCMs. For example, you can write at least 2 others, but normally they do not leave an additional portion, they do not leave a remainder. And here are some review questions. First question is, what is a fraction? I'll give you some time to write your answer, and you can also leave your comments in the comment section below. Second question, what does LCM stand for? Third, what are 2 types of fractions? And lastly, give an example of a whole number. So thank you for watching today's episode on fractions. Please make sure to subscribe